Here we have a Sheldon lathe. We got it hooked up to 230 volt, 3-phase power. We're going to turn it on and show you that it works. First thing we're going to show you is the light. The other thing is the holder. It locks into place with the air, so we'll go ahead and put the air. You can see that it locks in. Go ahead and turn it on here. That's your forward low speed. And we'll go forward high speed and reverse speed. Okay, you also have your travel, and you have your other travel here, and you have your auto feed, which will go forward low, and that's your auto feed right there. And then you could also reverse that.